Okay, hello. Welcome back to Shower Time Reviews, and today, I would like to review the Minks Farms brand family onions. We've had these onions for a while, so long that we're going to be throwing them out this weekend, so I figured I'd use one today. And before I get into this, I want to make mention, there have been comments asking me to review different foods, and I never expected it to be this many comments. So if I can't get to your review, I'm sorry, but I will eventually try. I mean, it's not like I have the choice. Like, once again, it's what's bought for me. I'm kind of limited in that regard. So it's going to be pretty simple from the get-go. Now first, onions. Onions are really nice. I like them with some stuff like hot dogs. And Justin and I had a burrito with one, which is a terrible idea, because we had burritos tonight that there was still a lot of cartilage in the meat, so it was very cartilaginous meat. The rice was long grain, chewy. I tried putting the onions on it to counteract the flavor, the texture of the cartilage, and it just overall made it worse. The cheese was mozzarella because we didn't have any of the Mexican cheese left, and the sour cream leaked out the side. The wrap was all old and fell apart on me. It was just one bad thing after another. So, oh, scary there. It's good thing I had the cover on the knife. Make sure you always carry knife covers on, or you might hurt yourself in an unfortunate incident like that. Now, this actual label, it used to not be ripped, but when I asked my sister for it, she ripped it off. And that was annoying. So I taped it back on for the viewers to see. Minks Family Farms. Alright. Made in the USA. Make sure to get some. Set that down now. Now, onions. The onions we have, I pre-peeled this a little bit because they're kind of getting all dirty and gross. So I'm going to try and peel this to the best of my abilities. But like some of it's like kind of part of it, so it's hard to actually take it out. So there's an obvious problem right there. Let's see if I can peel some of this back. Set some of the stuff aside for the moment. Let's see if I can just. So, I'd rather start off by just taking a big old bite out of it, kind of like to christen this onion, I guess. And then we're going to cut it up with the knife I got. So, cheers! You know, I've eaten onion before myself, and I threw up. So it's already a bad sign. Not a good thing to start with. So let's try it. Follow that. Let's get the knife out. Put it on my nose. God damn. So stupid. I'm not. I mean, from an onion. It's not a good texture. But the flavor was obviously sour. So we're gonna have to deal with that. There's kind of a cyst right here. How you can see that? Not exactly biting, but Peel some more of the skin back. Take another chomp. Good angle. Ooh. Should probably go pick those up. But not recommending this. But salad. But maybe a nice burger. If you fry these. I like the core ones. They're smaller, easier to chew through. A nice shave in there. But yeah. Overall, nice texture. And exactly what you'd want out of an onion. Good stuff. So, if you ever want to make a nice little onion flavored salad, onion. There's this black stuff. Looks like it didn't clean it properly. But yeah, consider Minks family farms onions. Let's see. Leave a review below and I might do it. Bye.